Good morning, choir masters and choir members. Very quick video lang. Binabasa ko kasi yung ebook na isinulat ko 9 years ago. And ang title nun is yung Estratehiyang Pangkoro. And isa sa mga favorite lesson ko na shinare ko doon is yung ask and act. So, ask and act. Alam nyo, napakahalaga nito no, sa isang choir, no? Especially kung may conductor ka and then you have this choir, no? So, the role of the conductor is to ask, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi niya yung mga gusto niya mangyari, no? Like for example, the dynamics, yung blending and everything, no? And then ito namang choir is, ang trabaho nila is to act, gawin yung sinasabi nung choir master, no? Or ng conductor. And that is very, very important. Ask and act. Yan. And dahil nga dito sa ask and act na to, isa ito sa mga tatalakayin natin or i-discuss ko this coming August 30 sa aming Choral Workshop and Seminar 2025 dito sa Biñan, Laguna. So kung malapit ka dito sa Biñan, Laguna, malapit ka dito sa San Pedro, Laguna, Santa Rosa, I'm inviting you, no, na mag-join dito sa aming Choral Workshop and Seminar. So we'll see you there. Ask and act. Bye!